Hey, it's Mr. Little Wonkies here. Yeah, the one and only. So, this morning, I am looking out my window, and I'm waiting for my grandma, right, to come over because, you know, she wants to see me. Well, she doesn't want to see me. She wants to see my sister and my nephews. So, I'm looking out the window waiting, and I see something on the sidewalk. I was like, oh my god, it's a dead bird. Oh my god, it's a dead bird. So, I walk outside, all cool and calm. It's a sock. Disappointing. I was very disappointed to find out it was a sock. And then, you know, a van drove by as I was looking at the sock. So, I walked back inside. Yeah, that's the only exciting thing that's happened this morning. Well, hi. What? No.
No?
I'm bored, don't judge me. That was my sister. And I ran outside. And I ran out the front door to go to the backyard. Walking like a boss. Back to the first video spot. What's up? What's up? I'm really bored, as you can tell. So, I don't know what time it is. Let me check. It is 12:30 here. And I have to wait 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours to go hang out with my friend. I'm going to her softball game. And I'm going to stay the night at her house. So, that is my plans for the day. Huh. I just realized there's 2 flags. My neighbor's house, you know. See, this is better probably because I can tell what I'm looking at. No? Oh, well, I can't figure it out. Let's see, there's another there. Kung Fu Panda. Again, walking around. Look at the beautiful flowers. Oh my god, beautiful flowers. Oh, so, you know what Kik is? You know that thing, that app you get for like iPhone and crap? Well, I have it, and I've got a crush on Kik. He is the bomb.com. Yeah. And there's another guy too. He's pretty legit, but I think he's mad at me. I don't know why. But I have no idea where they live. What the hell is that? What the crap? Do you see that? Do you see that creepy little bug? I have no idea what it is. Oh, there's a green bug too. What is it? No. I don't know what that thing is. Whee! It flew away! Ah! So, walking around my backyard, taking a rock, failing. Oh my god, there's a red ball. See, it's a red ball. I'm gonna kick the red ball. Red ball. I'm so bored. Oh look, petunias. These are pretty flowers. I like the pretty flowers. And then petunia. It was my guinea pig. She died a couple months ago. It was sad. very sad. I cried my eyes out. She was 5 years old. I'm gonna sit by a tree. Check out my phone. There's a message. Let's see who it's from. Miranda, the person I'm gonna go to the softball game today. Ha 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 ha. Smiley face. Well, that's my house. You know, you can hardly see it, but there's my front yard. My neighbor's house. Across the street. Well, random video number 1 of the day. Don't judge me. Sorry, my sister was confronting me earlier. She thought I was taking pictures of myself, but no, no, no. She was so wrong. I was making a video. Video, that's right. Mr. Lovable Monkey says bye. Bye.